Welcome, RPS students. My name is Andrea Bryant from Lucille Brown Middle School, and I am here with Topic 8 for Physical Science. Each week, we do a physical science lesson where we do a part 1, a part 2, and a part 3. Part 1 is where we engage and explore the topic. Part 2 is where we explain in more detail the topic. And then part 3 is where we evaluate and extend our understanding of the topic. Topic 8 is speed and applications of sound. Last week we talked about properties of sound and the different types of ways that we can describe sound waves or longitudinal waves. This week we're going to talk about how sound travels through different media and how we use sound in our lives. So, part 1, which is what this video goes with, is the Engage and Explore. You will watch 5 videos and complete the Notice and Wonder sheet in the workbook. For each video, write one thing you see, write one thing you think is happening, and write one thing that you wonder. So, here is what the workbook looks like. And this is the Notice and Wonder sheet. So it's split into boxes. You write one thing that you see, one thing you think, and one thing you wonder about each video. And you'll notice that in this sheet, you have the links for each of the videos that we are about to watch together. Also, here is the actual lesson layout for the entire topic. So you have day 1 or part 1, the Engage and Explore, with all the video links and a link to the workbook. You have day 2 with the activities and videos for that. And you have day 3 or part 3. So video 1 is sound and water. So you can either rewatch this video from here or you can click the link on the workbook sheet to complete your Notice and Wonder sheet. Video 2 is sound amplification through solid. Video number 3 is do ultrasound mosquito repellents work?
Mosquito repelling, and we've got a cage full of mosquitoes and we're going to try whether that works or not. As you can see, the mosquitoes don't really care about the sound and are landing on the phone and on my hand right around the speaker. And they have bitten a lot in the short period of time. Mosquitoes are landing for a short period of time only without biting.
Video 4 is fast NASCAR 200 miles per hour.
Pick up down the line, green flag about to go back in the air. They'll see the green at lap 57 as they chase Denny Hamlin.
Video number 5 is ultrasound cleaning in action. So you can go back and watch any of those videos from inside this overall video, or you can go back to the Notice and Wonder sheet and click the individual links whenever you're ready. In addition to those videos and your Think and Wonder sheet, you also have an optional hands-on activity that you can do at home. So this activity should be fairly easy for you to do at home. You don't really require anything out of the ordinary. So this is called the Traveling Sound Worksheet. So I'll go through and read each of these questions and just give you a little bit more information on how to complete this. So number 1, answer the question, can sound travel through solids? Circle yes or no. Number 2, describe the difference between the sound you hear when you tap on the table with your ear against it and the sound you hear when you tap against the table while you're sitting up. Number 3, can sound energy pass through liquids? Yes or no? Number 4, describe the difference between the sound when you tap objects together underwater and above water. Those objects could be spoons, they could be knives, they could be forks, they could be glasses. Whatever you have that you can tap together to make noise under some water and above water would be great. Number 5, can sound pass through gases, such as the air we breathe? Yes or no? So, what you should do is feel your throat and write down your observations from the following tests. Hum with your mouth and nose open, such as this. I know it looks silly, but that's what it's asking you to do. B, hum with your mouth open and your nose closed. C, hum with your mouth closed and your nose open. And D, hum with your mouth and nose closed. Try to do that one as best you can. We, of course, have to breathe. So, I will return for the part 2 video where we review the small videos for your Think and Wonder sheets, discuss some important vocabulary and concepts about the speed of sound and applications of sound, and then you will have some short videos with some explanations and accompanying questions. Part 3 will be a speed of sound quizzes and an optional smartphone sonar exploration video where you can turn your smartphone into a sonar device. I'll see you in the part 2 video.